Hi guys, I'm Varnya. Welcome back to my channel. I'd highly appreciate if you take a moment, subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. And this is a very long pending overdue video all about third year. So a couple of months back I posted a story on my Instagram saying I completed my third year. Especially during the admission season I got a lot of DMs regarding I got so and so rank. Will I get CSE? If I get CSE, will I get the specialization? How is SRM? What are the do's and don'ts? What are the rules and regulations? Is SRM worth it? And a lot about internship placements. So many questions. I was like, you know what? This is time to make a fresh video. So I have my notebook right here with all the pointers. So yeah, let's get into it. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about first. The initial half is going to be about Sem 5 and Sem 6. That is third year subjects. And I'm going to talk about MOOC and resume making because brother, you're in third year right now, so time to gear up for internships and other important stuff like LinkedIn profile, GitHub, Havelock and stuff, and things to prepare. And also I about my experience. Yeah, let's talk about that. Okay, so let's talk about the Sem 5 subjects right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 core subjects, 1 professional elective and 1 open elective. So if you don't know what that means, professional elective is basically where it's a subject that you get to choose inside your department, like inside CSE, okay, or inside ECE, whatever. And open elective is basically you get to choose from other departments. Like CSE, you can choose something from ECE or mechanical or civil or management or anything like that. So yeah, we had like 6 subjects, 4 core, 1 professional elective and 1 open elective. Alright, so the first core subject that we had was discrete mathematics. Happy to inform that this is the last semester with maths in it. So if you're somebody who don't like maths, then congratulations, good news to you. And apart from that, we also had like formal language and automata, FLA, which I thought would be an easy course, but unfortunately not really. It is a lot of like, I don't know, some new concepts and new stuff. And the third one was computer networking, CN, which again, important to learn because it is a core concept and it will be asked in your placements also. So good for you. And the fourth one is machine learning for data analytics, MLDA. As far as I remember, I think this was a P course, so you had to do like a end semester project and then the full 100 marks is in the hands of the faculty, okay? So I think, yeah, that is it. And for professional elective, I chose AIoT, Artificial Intelligence of Technology, because last semester I took IoT and this semester I took AIoT, which, I don't know, this was a P course. I got tempted, so I took this, but I don't know. I don't really recommend. And for open, I think I took stress management, which was a management open elective. Again, it was super easy. I think this was like the best decision of my life. And yeah, very easy. They literally asked about how do you reduce stress and what are the types of stress and yoga and stuff like that. So basically you can write the exam without reading anything. So that is about semester 5. Let's move on to semester 6 now, which is in that you have 3 core subjects, 2 professional electives and 1 open elective along with MOOC. Okay, so the first core subject is SCPM, Software Engineering and Project Management, which is all about product life cycle and agile methodology and stuff like that, like theory. And the second one is compiler design, which is basically the continuation of FLA that you read last semester. So the entire FLA comes as chapter 1 in compiler design and then more stuff like how does the compiler work, lexical, yeah, stuff like that. And the third core subject which we had like big data students was full stack development, where yeah, full stack development, but a lot of other CSE specializations, they had data science, which is also very easy. So I think both were like good courses. And in professional elective, unfortunately this semester my internet was bad, the site crashed, I did not get to poll. So I was allotted, okay, last minute whatever was left I had to pick that. So in professional, like the 2, I chose streaming analytics. But again, okay, I did not get to poll, but unfortunately like all 3 we had like good faculties and convenient, and I managed to get good grades. So I think happy for that. But yeah, I took streaming analytics, where you're taught about like PySpark, Kafka, like the real-time data, how do you analyze, that is the subject basically. And like we had MongoDB, Storm and all that. And in the other professional elective, we had GPU powered computing, which is parallel processing basically. And you also have to do a project and paper and stuff like that. So, and in open elective, I chose modern wireless communication system. It was an open, EC open elective. So this was a vast subject. I don't know, it's like a lot of like, I did not even know what was a base station was, and I was like, base station, that, this, so many things were there, like so many new concepts and new stuff. So I'm talking about MOOC. You also have to do MOOC this semester, which is massive open online course, where you have to do NPTEL preferably, okay? Any NPTEL you have to choose, and then you have to do the 12-week assignments, and then you have to go write exam, and then you have to show the certificate to sir, and then based on that he'll give you the rank. Okay, so this is for 3 credits, and I chose cloud computing. So some of the other electives are big data tools and techniques, NLP, generative AI, applied social network analysis, quantum computing. This is like a few of the many other stuff. That is it about the courses in third year, semester 5, 6, MOOC and other stuff. So now let's move on to resume building tips. So talking about resume building, we don't have any real-time experience. We are students, right? So the real-time experience that we have is the club work, whatever you have done, okay? So make sure to project that. Whatever things that you have done, any volunteering activities, any leadership, or if you have conducted anything, make sure to write that properly. And if you already have done an internship in your second year or like stuff like that, write that down. And apart from that, you also have to mention certifications. I mean, Udemy and Coursera, no, this is what you have to write. Don't write Udemy, Coursera. And apart from that, you can write maximum of 3 projects, okay? Don't write a lot, just make sure to write the name and then 1 or 2 line explanation with the tech stack that you've used, okay? So yeah, talking about the other important stuff, LinkedIn profile. I'm not saying all companies ask for it, but okay, I did not talk about it. So as soon as you reach your 6th semester, companies slowly start coming, okay? In your class WhatsApp groups, your sir's FA, they forward Google Forms, okay? Like this company, that company and all. You have to keep filling, and then resume, shortlisting and all happens, okay? So in the Google form, I'm not saying all, but some companies also ask for LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, 10th percentage, 12th percentage, your CGPA so far, if you have any backlogs. So all of this will be asked, okay? So in LinkedIn profile, make sure to mention all the certifications that I told. No resume, make sure to mention that in the LinkedIn profile, and also whatever projects you have done, what are the languages you know, what are the skills section, make sure to mention like everything that you know, because yeah, skills section, make sure to mention every single skill that you have. And if you have anything to post. So make sure the companies knows that you are online, like you are an active member in LinkedIn, okay? So that is important. And second thing is GitHub profile. Now also in third year, there's this thing called placement metrics, which has marks out of 100, okay? So if you have done like full stack projects, some marks. If you have done certifications, some marks. If you have done like some maybe like 50 contributions in GitHub, some mark. If you have won any competitions like coding competitions, some marks. So make sure you have, I don't know if it has changed, but you can ask the CR. I think they'll be having or your FA for the placement metrics, so that you can prepare. Like now that you've just entered third year, you have like probably 6 to 7 months before the placement metrics is asked, so you can prepare in that 6 months. So make sure your GitHub is also optimized. You have whatever projects you're doing, just make sure to upload it there, and you have good number of contributions and stuff. And the third important thing is college also gives this platform called Havelock. Okay, so that is basically where you can apply for jobs, where you can look at the jobs, like what are all the available placement statistics. Basically you can get from Havelock profile. If possible, I'll like pop a few screenshots of Havelock profile which you will get in your third year. So that is there. And also even in SRM student portal you will get to see like the placement statistics and all that. Okay, so that is another important thing. And so for internships preparation, I think you already know this. Apart from lead code, you have to like learn object oriented like OOPS and then CN and DBMS. I think you already know that, right? So in semester 6 around February March time, so there was this test link that was forwarded to everybody. The entire campus wrote that, where it was about like few MCQs and like 2 coding questions. I think 25 MCQs and like questions where some people were selected from each college and they were sent to Citibank. So I think I got selected in that, which was not an internship. It was like a mini internship of sorts. So I went there and I also vlogged it, and I'll include that towards the end of the video. And also in this video I'm not including anything about internship or placements because that is such a huge topic. Right now I can only talk about how I got my internship, right? I cannot talk about how everybody can get their internship. So I'm just waiting so that everybody get, and like I can like jot down the points and like give you as much information as possible about internships and placements so that it will be useful. It's not just about one company but like a lot of companies, I can tell you. So yeah, that is it for this video. And if you did like this video, please give it a like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys next time. Until then, bye. Okay, so guys, our morning session is done. We had a brief introduction about Python and all. Very interesting.
Very interesting, apart from the fact that we wanted to sleep midway.
Yeah, we felt so sleepy. We zoned out in the middle. Or abhi we are going to explore the camp office. Yeah. And we have a shower room. Bhumi, say hi. Day 2 update. We came like half an hour early.
I'm Ipshita.
Yeah,
and I'm from SNU.
SNU. Yeah, I made a new friend, guys.
Yes.
Finally. And yeah, we're exploring the campus. It's so pretty. But everywhere we try to click pictures, the guards come up. I'm like, no pictures.
But the park here, which is
Yeah, it's pretty. Let's try to sneak inside and click pictures.
pictures, yeah.
What are you doing? Okay, we have a break, guys. Guess where we are? Citibank washroom. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Our ethnic day in office. But it was so much fun. Like, the most interactive session of the most interactive session of the entire 5 days. I'm telling you, we sweated so much.
Yeah.
End of day 4. It's 5:30. We're logging off. We just ended with a chai. I think I'm gonna miss it. Guys, are you gonna miss it? Katu. I asked you, are you gonna miss it? Cherry's like, hi.
I'll miss you.
Me?
Yeah.
Last day, 5th day, lunch for the one last time. We got a Women's Day special cake. Guys, bittersweet, but it's over. it's really over. My God. All the senior peeps we saw, we spoke to them. We were sitting the first bench for the first time, and it was fun.
Yes.
Okay, signing off. Last snack coupon. Last snacks coupon. You don't have the
Oh,
coupon.
this is also lunch again.
Lunch. Oh, I have
Mine is
snacks
snacks.
coupon.
Mine is snacks.
Okay, bye. Swinging off. Bye.